Ningbo Senjun New Materials Company Limited, founded in 2010, is mainly committed to the research, development and production of wire tube condensers and copper aluminum fin heat exchangers such as refrigerators, freezers, drinking fountains, display cabinets, wine cabinets, medical ultra-low temperature refrigerators, ice makers, dehumidifiers, etc. The company has advanced production equipment, strong technical team and perfect quality management system. Its products have passed ISO 9001 and ISO/TS 16949 Quality Management System Certification, IS 014000 Environmental Management System Certification and RoHS Certificate. The company has been committed to the innovation and development of new technologies in the refrigeration industry and adheres to the road of scientific and technological innovation. We focus on technological innovation, quality and service, take integrity innovation and mutual benefit as the goal, adhere to the business principle of common development with customers, constantly reduce costs, and let more customers choose long-term mutually beneficial cooperation with our company.